Hello and welcome to the new episode of Geoprospectors webinar sessions. I am Tibor and I work as a data analyst by Geoprospectors for already 6 years. Many of our customers know me, we had already some tasks to resolve together. Today I will introduce to you our new support system. A huge advantage will be that customers can submit tickets, then follow these tickets on their resolution route. On the top of everything, our new support tool serves as a knowledge hub as well. So I'm delighted to introduce our new tool, Support Geoprospectors, and its quick use. If you are an owner of a topsoil mapper soil scanner, you are invited to use the customer portal through an invitation email, or if you are just interested to read through our knowledge hub, please write us a mail to the support@geoprospectors.com in order to let us know that you would like to know more about our technologies. Either you have requested the registration through our website, or you are entitled for the portal use based on your sensor, you receive an activation link from the support team. So let me help you in this video to guide you through the first steps in registering and using the new portal. Please click on the activation link in the mail sent by the customer portal agent. On the next window, please enter your name and password. Your password should contain at least 8 characters and should not contain your username. After entering to the customer portal, please complete your profile setup by hitting the Edit Profile text on the top right corner. On this screen, you can add your phone number and social media profiles to get us easier to reach you. Here you can change your password as well. After you edited your contact details or password, please save your changes on the bottom of this page and go back to the home page. Your profile has been now settled. In the background, we made sure that you are initially coupled with your TSM serial number. Therefore, if you are submitting a ticket, it will be obvious for us immediately which system we are talking about. We see on the backend all the important system details, SLA and data package status as well. We even know all the credentials to remotely access to your TSM rugged screen. On this home screen, you can directly access to our knowledge base and solution center, where you can search by typing in relevant keywords or by clicking on articles on your own interest. From all tabs, you can initiate to create a new support ticket or check the status. On this page, you can create tickets. Please type in the relevant subject which let us know the brief topic of your problem. Then please give a detailed description on your problem. After you have typed in your request, you have the possibility to attach any kind of file, which can be screenshot or even a TSM survey file. After you have finished tailoring your ticket, please click on the Submit Your Ticket button. Clicking on the ticket status, you can check whether your ticket has been processed, it is pending, or it has been already resolved. In every case of change in ticket status, you are going to receive a notification email, so there is no chance that you miss an update on your request. So, in a brief way, that would have been the introduction of the new Geoprospectors ticket system and customer portal. Please subscribe to our social media channels and have a great fun using our new portal. Stay tuned, bye!